NASA and SpaceX join forces to unveil an astonishing revelation. The SpaceX Starship is set to become the extraordinary new space station. Despite a setback during its inaugural orbital launch, SpaceX remains undeterred in its mission to redefine space exploration. Now, in an unprecedented collaboration with NASA, the Starship will undergo a groundbreaking transformation that has the potential to revolutionize our very existence in the cosmos. Let's begin. In an extraordinary move, NASA has announced the second phase of its groundbreaking initiative, the Commercial Space Capabilities 2, CCSC-2. This initiative, driven by NASA's vision to foster innovation and advance human spaceflight, aims to not only propel the United States' commercial low Earth orbit economy, but also revolutionize our approach to space-related ventures. As part of the CCSC-2, NASA has strategically partnered with 7 distinguished American companies known for their pioneering work in the aerospace industry. These companies include SpaceX, renowned for its ambitious projects such as the Falcon rockets and Crew Dragon spacecraft; Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos with a focus on reusable rocket technology and lunar exploration; Northrop Grumman, a leading aerospace and defense technology company; Sierra Space, dedicated to advancing space technologies and services; Think Orbital, a startup specializing in small satellite launch vehicles; Vast Space, focused on developing space infrastructure and transportation systems; and Special Aerospace Services, providing innovative solutions for space missions. Through this collaboration, NASA aims to support and facilitate the development of cutting-edge capabilities crucial for the establishment of a robust low Earth orbit economy. A key aspect of the CCSC-2 initiative is that each participating company will fund its own participation in the program. This approach allows companies to invest their own capital, showcasing their commitment to pushing the boundaries of innovation in commercial space capabilities. Phil McAllister, the director of commercial spaceflight at NASA headquarters, applauded the company's commitment to invest in innovative commercial space capabilities. The advantages of this partnership are twofold. Firstly, NASA's vast knowledge, expertise, and resources can be leveraged by these companies, propelling them forward in their pursuit of innovative space technologies. Secondly, NASA can benefit from these collaborations by potentially becoming a customer for the capabilities developed under the agreements. This mutually beneficial arrangement not only strengthens the private sector's capabilities, but also fosters a dynamic ecosystem of space-related services and solutions. The long-term vision of the CCSC-2 initiative is to foster competition in the market for space-related services and encourage the emergence of multiple providers offering groundbreaking space capabilities. This increased competition is expected to drive innovation, lower costs, and ultimately enable a broader range of space missions and applications. In a flurry of exciting proposals, all the companies involved in the CCSC-2 initiative presented their visions for the future of space exploration to NASA. One standout concept came from SpaceX, captivating imaginations with their groundbreaking plan for the SpaceX Starship. They proposed to utilize the Starship as an in-space, low-Earth orbit destination, essentially turning it into a fully functional space station. Imagine a future where the Starship operates as a space station, just like the International Space Station, ISS, but with the added benefit of being able to transport astronauts and conduct scientific research in microgravity. SpaceX is collaborating closely with NASA to develop an integrated low Earth orbit architecture, encompassing a range of technologies. This architecture includes the Starship as a transportation and in-space destination, complemented by the Super Heavy rocket, the Dragon spacecraft, Starlink communication systems, and other essential capabilities such as crew and cargo transportation, communications, and operational and ground support. While the Starship space station concept steals the spotlight, other companies are also actively contributing to NASA's mission. For instance, Blue Origin is working with NASA to develop commercial space transportation capabilities, while Northrop Grumman is involved in creating a persistent platform for autonomous and robotic operations in low Earth orbit, facilitating commercial science research and manufacturing. Now, let's dive deeper into the Starship's potential as a space station. SpaceX envisions the Starship as a fully reusable transportation system, capable of carrying crew and cargo to destinations throughout the solar system, including the Moon and Mars. However, what makes the Starship particularly intriguing is its potential as a replacement for traditional space stations. Designed to withstand the harsh environment of space for extended periods, the Starship features a pressurized cabin that can accommodate up to 100 people. This means that it has the capacity to support long-duration space missions, paving the way for exciting possibilities in human space exploration. The SpaceX Starship, in addition to its impressive capabilities as a space station, also boasts the remarkable ability to autonomously dock with other spacecraft. This cutting-edge feature simplifies mission operations by reducing the need for specialized equipment or crew intervention, streamlining the entire process of rendezvous and docking. While the exact design for the Starship space station is still being refined, SpaceX envisions a configuration that includes a 6-way docking node with 4 Starships attached. Additionally, a mating adapter brought up on another flight would accommodate capsule vehicles. To ensure sufficient power, the station would have a large central structure equipped with solar arrays and radiators, complemented by 4 large arms. The Starships would dock using dorsal ports, which are notably larger than the current ones. This configuration allows for the transportation of cargo and new instruments from one ship to the interior of the central node, and then to any other station ships via the large diameter arms. While the emphasis is on accommodating the Starships, smaller docking ports can be included for spacecraft like Dream Chaser. Moreover, the station ships themselves can do more than just orbit. Thanks to the central node's power, some of the ships can retain their heat shields and return to Earth periodically for refurbishment, equipped with a fresh suite of instruments. This innovative approach simplifies the process by relying on technicians to handle instrument replacements rather than astronauts, resulting in significant cost savings and increased efficiency. The basic ship used for the space station will be recycled from one of the many Starships produced by the new Star Factory, making it a cost-effective option. By launching multiple Starships, which can be produced rapidly, it becomes more efficient to create a cluster of space habitats rather than converting a single ship into a living space. These futuristic space habitats, designed by private companies, can be easily transported and assembled inside a large launcher like the Starship. This forward-thinking approach anticipates the need for a new generation of space stations, enabling the expansion of human presence and activities in outer space. The concept of a Starship space station marks a groundbreaking milestone in space habitation. With its autonomous docking capabilities, versatility, and cost-effectiveness, the Starship has the potential to redefine our approach to long-duration space missions and expeditions, unlocking new frontiers of exploration and scientific discovery. As private companies take the lead in designing advanced space habitats, humanity is on the cusp of witnessing an era of space stations that will shape the future of space travel and pave the way for extraordinary accomplishments beyond Earth's atmosphere. As the aging International Space Station, ISS, approaches its retirement by the end of this decade, visionary projects are emerging to fill its shoes. One of these projects is the Loop, an orbiting laboratory recently revealed by Airbus Industries. Beyond housing science laboratories and living quarters, the Loop boasts a unique feature: a centrifuge that will spin to create artificial gravity, countering the negative effects of weightlessness on the human body. Taking grandeur to another level, the Voyager station, envisioned by the Space Development Corporation, is an audacious plan. This ambitious endeavor entails constructing a massive rotating space hotel composed of numerous modules that, when assembled, form a colossal rotating ring. Designed to offer luxury accommodations, the Voyager station aims to host an impressive 440 people. This concept evokes images of the iconic space station depicted in the movie 2001: A Space Odyssey. However, it's crucial to note that these extraordinary plans heavily rely on the success of the Starship or another sizable rocket. The Starship, developed by SpaceX, has faced its fair share of challenges. While it has managed to launch successfully, achieving stable orbit has proved elusive. Elon Musk, the visionary behind SpaceX, remains undeterred and has announced plans for another launch attempt in the coming months. Despite the spectacular mid-air explosion of a Starship prototype, Musk humorously referred to it as a spontaneous combustion celebration. The journey to success for the Starship has been filled with setbacks and moments of awe, much like the excitement of a SpaceX launch live stream. However, SpaceX has already demonstrated its prowess with the reusable Falcon 9 rocket, proving that they can create cost-effective and reusable rockets. With ambitions of orbiting Earth, facilitating lunar tourism, and constructing infrastructure on Mars, the Starship's next mission is to showcase its capabilities, flying high, flying safely, and ultimately, flying again. The future of space exploration holds captivating possibilities, from advanced orbital laboratories to luxurious rotating hotels. With private companies like SpaceX pushing the boundaries of technology and innovation, we stand on the precipice of an era where space travel and habitation will become more accessible, paving the way for humanity's extraordinary endeavors beyond the confines of our home planet. So, do you think the Starship has the potential to replace traditional space stations and revolutionize our presence in space? Share with us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting that like button and leaving a comment down below. Also, if you're a fan of all things technology, be sure to check out this other video we've got lined up for you. It's packed with all the latest news, tips, and tricks to keep you ahead of the curve.